Yeah, you know, it's a red Mustang, it's loud, it's red, but you know what? I'm a safe driver and I'll never get pulled over. That's how my morning started. What is going on YouTube? Tom here, and I'm currently inside the car because we got lawn service over across the street mowing the lawn, so don't really want to ruin this audio. Trying to experiment with the GoPro. I turned the microphone volume up a little bit because I know I've gotten some complaints that my videos aren't fully audible, so hopefully you all can hear me a little better this time. So, I'm on my way to work because I do work Saturdays. And this guy in a white Explorer basically cuts over, gets in front of me, proceeds to start slowing down and brake checking me. Don't believe me? I do have a dash cam, and I have dash cam footage. Yeah, it was like, at this time, I didn't realize it was a cop. I thought, what's this asshole doing brake checking me every few feet? So then, that section of the interstate, it's one interstate to another interstate, there's a merge lane. And I'm used to people trying to cut me off, but this guy seemed to do it intentionally. Like he was starting something. So, at this point, I downshift the car and I gun it. I kind of give the guy a dirty look, like, really, do you have to brake check me and then cut me off? At this point, I see that there is a mirror on the car, but I thought, wait, it doesn't have the state tag. Usually, they have, cop cars around here have yellow state tags. This had just a Florida tag. I thought, might be a cop, but might just be some asshole in a wannabe cop explorer. Well, I was wrong. It was a cop. And as you could hear from the beginning, I got threatened with a pretty big ticket. Now, the problem was, he kind of egged me on to do it. It was kind of like, he even admitted at one point that he kind of picked my car out. Yeah, it's like, we get it. You don't like red Mustangs. I understand people said this was a cop magnet, but this wasn't like he caught it out of the corner of his eye. The way it felt like is he really did just pick this car to say, I'm going to try and get that guy to go fast and give him a ticket. That's what it felt like to me. Now, I'm not going to admit how fast I was going without my attorney present, but I was going 55 plus. Yeah, so, admittingly, I was probably going over the speed limit. In fact, at one point he even asked me, he's like, you know what the speed limit is? And actually, because it does drop within every quarter of a mile, people don't necessarily follow it. So I decided I'm gonna lie to him. Not really lie, but I'm gonna BS him and think, well, I think it's 70. He laughed and was like, not in this section. At the end of the day, I guess they are getting into quota season. We're not sure. No one knows, because it seems like there have been more cops out recently, and they have been supposedly stepping up enforcement. He ended up letting me off after threatening me with the, quote, expensive ticket, which was annoying. It didn't really ruin my morning, but it gave me something to talk about. I by no means am proud of having gone 100 miles per hour plus and talking my way out. I'm not trying to say that I am better than that I outsmarted the cops or anything. Please don't try that at home, kids. No one else do that. Don't be a dumbass like me on the road, but it was like, you basically tried to force me to get the ticket. So it was kind of like, I think he knew it was his fault. And on top of that, a little bit of legal advice. If the cops do not have a radar gun, never admit to them how fast you are going when you get pulled over. Because he did not have a radar gun, and therefore there was no way he was going to be able to pull me over for anything. Now, I do have the Vava dash cam that I caught all the audio with. I forgot to swivel it. Usually, I remembered it's like, oh, that's right, this thing swivels. And I totally forgot about it. So, my mistake. I forgot. If I do get pulled over again, knock on wood that I don't, then I probably will hopefully remember to turn it. It's like, why do I have this dash cam if I'm not going to use its capabilities? But that's how my morning went. And I did promise you all a bit of a mod coming, and I have it currently in the trunk of the car. It's It's going to go on the rear, and it's actually another lighting mod. So, see you all at the back of the car. So it turns out I thought every single light on this car was LED. Still going with the lawn work. I missed one. I'm going to show you all in 1 second here, since I set my GoPro down. This, in fact, is not LED. Car's going to beep at me here in a second. Actually, it already is. Yeah. Looks like it's a crowd control. But yeah, as you can see, this is standard incandescent bulb. Let's turn the car off. God, it's good and hot already today. But I got a fix for that. They sent me a decal this time. It's also, once again, from Diode Dynamics. And that is an LED reverse light bulb. Luckily, this is going to take about a minute or less to put in. Mattress pad is optional. This is something that does not take a single tool. You just have to reach back here. It's not too hot. Ow. Ow, it is. I'm going to go grab a towel. Be right back. Okay, and I'm back. Again, towel optional as well. You just go ahead and pull the old bulb out. Pretty self-explanatory. Just go ahead and take the new one, and like any LED bulb, it does have polarity. So we're going to go ahead and put this in, and then we're going to test it. Let's get turning the car on. Is it on? Doesn't appear to be on, so. There we go. As usual, I have horrible luck with LEDs and always have to go 180 degrees. God, that alarm is annoying. Oh boy. Now, pretty easy. Just get back under the car, put it back through the hole. Goes out easy enough, goes back in a little more. So basically, I know y'all can't even see it. I probably look awful on camera right now. It doesn't even want to go back in right. So, sunglasses, I have it gone. Said it would be easy, but oh wow. Still managed to get dirty. That's what happens. I guess you have to get under your car. You're still gonna get dirty. So, anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you all think about that. I run in with the law this morning, and if anyone wants, I can put the complete kind of transcript on what happened. If anyone wants, I can put that into the entirely separate video if everybody wants to see that. Another update on this car. Once again, it's still going in. By the time you all see this video, it'll actually be at the dealership, or I'll be on my way to the dealership probably. So it still sometimes is grinding third. Another little development I noticed, it tends to do it when the car has been driven a little bit, so I guess the transmission is getting up to temperature before it grinds. So I guess that's important to note. Something else to keep in mind for the dealership. Hopefully that's worthy information for them when they go to look at it. But anyway, like I said, let me know in the comment section below what you all think about this. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. I know it's still not too exciting of content, but it's a little bit better than nothing. But like I said, Wednesday's video, if you see this car on Wednesday, then it was a simple fix, or it didn't even need a fix at all. And if you see me in a different car on Wednesday, then you know for a fact that this car required more work. But anyway, take care, have a good day. Okay, got it in. Just had to turn the camera off. Turns out it points up at a slight angle. Just keep that in mind if you do the reverse look. No, I didn't do a whole lot of the mod in this video, but oh well. Same as before. Like, comment, subscribe. Take care. Have a good day.